Here's how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa on PS5. First, what we need to do is just go ahead and search if we can play the No Hesi Assetto Corsa. And as you can see, No Hesi servers in Assetto Corsa are only playable on PC. So as they require installing custom maps and car parks via Content Manager, the No Hesi experience is not available on PS5. So this only means that this kind of game can only be accessible on PS5. So as you can see in nohesi.gg website, you'll be able to see the affiliate links where you can go ahead and see there the PC only game. So as you can see, you have to use it or play it to Windows 10 or 11, Intel Core 7 that has or should have a 16 GB of RAM. So this is the look of playing of No Hesi. So this is just a car racing game that you can enjoy on a PC.